Hello, my name is Austin Basham. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about Google Cloud and the different G Suite functions in it. Works really good for businesses and just personal use in general. So, first off, we're going to talk about Google Docs. So, Google Docs, I'm just going to type in CIS here, is it's like a Word document, but instead of being on your computer, it's in the cloud. So as you can see, when you go to File and like you're gonna save it, you don't save it, it just saves right to the cloud. So it's an automatic backup basically if something were to happen to your computer because it's not saving on the internal drive. So say you type out a Word document and you need to share it. So you're going to go to share and you're going to name it, and then you're going to have like an access list right here. You're going to type in their email addresses or their names, however, and then you're going to get a shareable link as well. So once you get all this done and you want to send it out, you send it to these people that you give access to, and they're the only ones that can get on it. But after that, they can actually edit this for you. So if you need someone to proofread it, you can send it right over to them. They'll proofread it for you, and they can even make the changes. And then you can go back and look at it. It all happens real time. So it's really good for collaboration and business. So next I'm going to talk about the Google Slides. It's the exact same thing, except for instead of a Word document, it's a PowerPoint presentation. So put CIS there. So as you can see, you can present, you can do everything that you can do normally in a PowerPoint, except for whenever you go to share, you have that access list again. And say you and a couple people at work need to make a presentation. This is really good for that because you can send it to them and then they can work on it as well, and you're all working on it and it's all changing real time and it's backed up into the cloud. So that is Google Docs and Google Slides. Now we're going to go to Google Forms. So for Forms, you're going to hit blank, and this is like a survey. So what you're going to want to do is, let's say, favorite brand, or yeah, favorite brand should be fine. So now we're going to have that, and then we're going to change it. Let's make it multiple choice. And you have all these different functions. Option one, let's make option one Coke. Let's add another option here, Pepsi. And now, once you're done, you can send that to anyone really. You can send it within your company to everyone if you have an important survey you need to know, or you can send it out to customers. And once they get it, they can go in and they'll select that, and then they can also respond. So you can get like short word answer responses or long ones. And it's really good to just kind of figure out what people in your company are thinking or what customers are thinking. And it's all going to be on the cloud, all saved right into the cloud. So it's pretty perfect for that. Next, let's look at Google Sites. So when you get to the sites, you're going to want to go down to this, create new site. Real quick, I'm going to check my time, make sure I'm not going to run over. Okay. Alright, so you got your title page. So we'll make this CIS as well. So this is like an actual website you're making. So you go in here and you have all these different capabilities, layouts for your website, footers, you can add anything you want. Well, once you get done and say you change your theme and all that stuff, you're going to want to go to publish. Now your web address, you can just make it, it's going to add to this Google site. So let's make it CIS 33333 since we're not going to be really using this one. So we're going to publish it. Boom, you just made a website. Now say, now you can view the published website. And you can have people go to this website too with the URL. And you can change who you want to see it through the publish settings, and change the URL and all that good stuff. So the last thing I'm talking about is Cloud Search, which I've actually not been able to sign up for. And I know I'll probably get some points taken off for that, but I've done a lot of research and it seems like you can only sign up if you're a part of a company, which I know that has to be wrong, but that's all I can really find. But basically, the cloud search, from what I read, can't demonstrate it. You can search for any of your documents, it's all going to be in one. So your docs, your slides, all your stuff is going to be in one. It seems really, really useful, but I'm not a part of a company, so I can't see how to do it yet. But I'm sure I'll get an email explaining that or something. Because I probably messed up with that. But yeah, so those are your functions in the G Suite for the Google Cloud, and they're all super, super reliable. And that's my time, and I appreciate it. Thank you for your time.